Most of the challenges our customers are facing are basically new materials are coming, new technologies are coming, and the problem is they cannot find the competencies by their people working with them. We at DIAMETAL, we are responsible to develop together with our customer solutions that are aimed to find the goal that is required by the challenges posed by materials and new technologies. My name is Cristian Assandri and I'm Chief Sales Officer for the DIAMETAL Group. One of our main competencies is to create every day a specific solution for a specific customer problem. So whatever is grinding and you need an excellent surface finishing on your parts, or you need a solution in a new material for turning, milling or drilling, at DIAMETAL we have the right solution for you. This year marks 90 years of expertise at DIAMETAL. This expertise you will find in everyday products, where whatever is turning inserts or drilling tools, with our solution, with the grinding tools, we are able to give you perfect quality surface, very precise cutting tools to define your challenges on your machines.